Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add email address to Facebook page. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Then tap on your profile icon. Tap on the three horizontal dots. And then tap on Edit option. Scroll down until you find email address option. Tap on it. Now tap on Add email address option, which is on the contact info. Then enter your email address. Once you are done, tap on the Save button. And this is how you can add email address to Facebook page. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.